Welcome to YouTube tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to implement automatic scrolling in your tables. I have already prepared a visualization that contains 3 variables: the current index, which contains the current row, the range size, which contains the maximum number of rows displayed, and the scroll range, which contains the rows to be skipped for each scroll operation. I have also prepared a list of demo data to scroll through. I start by creating a data flow on this list. Here, I insert a filter step that only returns the rows whose index is less than the current index, plus the range size and greater than or equal to the current index from the variable. I reload this data flow periodically every 5 seconds and give it the name, show range. Next, I create a reload script on this data flow, which is executed every time the data flow is reloaded. Here, I create an if-else condition, in which I check whether the current index plus the range size is greater than or equal to the number of rows in my data source. If this is the case, we have either reached the end of the table, or the table contains fewer rows than our range size. In both cases, we want to reset the current index to 0 in order to jump back to the beginning of the table. Otherwise, we want to set the current index to its current value plus the scroll range. When I'm done, I can link the data flow to the table on my screen and then start the preview to see how the table is automatically scrolled through. Below the table, you can see the current index, which is always incremented by 3 due to the scroll range of 3, and the range size 10, which contains the displayed rows. In the video, you can find links to our template page, where you can download the project file and the corresponding article on our help page. Thank you for watching.